This video is hilarious. Oh, I think that's the mail. Mailman! That's from Nomadik. Let's go inside and see what's inside the box. Now this is a monthly subscription box from Nomadik. It costs around $32–$33 per month. And it's surprise items. It could be for backpacking, hiking, survival. I have no idea what's in this. And they did reach out to me to see if I'd like to do an unboxing and first impression of the items inside. So I haven't looked inside this yet. Alright. Okay, here's some of the items inside. The items in this box will value up to $50 each month for a little over $30. And this is not a review video, more of just a first look at the items, what's inside the box. So let's take a closer look. Okay, first inside the box I'll look at this brochure. The theme is Hike Longer, Go Further. Now I'll show some close-ups of the items. And now let's take a look inside. We have a 2-liter hydration bladder. It's BPA, PVC free. There's the mouthpiece here. I'll give you a closer look at it. And it looks like it's decent quality. And right here we have a skin cleaner. It removes poison oak and ivy oils. It comes in liquid form. It's 12 ounces. And then right here we have a patch kit. It's waterproof. And then next in a box we have 2 packets of hydration mix. It looks like it's an orange flavor. And then finally we have this protein bar. It's a chocolate flavored sea salt. I'm sure I'll take this with our next trip. And I also noticed inside the box there's this coupon, 25% off some items here. On a brochure, there's a challenge. There are 4 winners each month, and so you can enter that. And it's up to $50 worth of gear. And they say that there's about up to $50 worth of gear in each of these boxes, and there's 5 items in this box. And if this is something you want to look into, I'll leave a link below. And for around $32–$33 a month, you can subscribe to this surprise box from Nomadik. And with the promotional code UPTRAIL, you can get an additional 10% off. And once again, thanks for watching UPTRAIL 71.